Hello, and today I'll be doing a review on the Nerf Walking Dead sniper rifle. Starting from the back, the stock is pretty small because if you hold it, the grip, it's like small, and then the grip isn't that good because here, the bolt action goes back, so your thumb can't go in there and get into the middle. The scope is alright. It's not like, it doesn't zoom in. And then there's a Picatinny rail here where you just slide on like that. And then the magazine goes in like that. And then you just put that there. And then you just shoot it. And then you pull back, take it out if you don't want to shoot anymore. And get into the front. The stock is alright. I didn't think this is really useful because this just gets in the way of it when you do that. So there's basically no point having that. So now we'll be shooting it. I reckon it's pretty weak compared to the Nerf M16 Nerf gun, but we'll do that next video if you stay tuned.